Hi again. We are still in 23rd of April in my current location. Hmm. That was the challenge. That was the challenge to launch every day before the day end. Launch this live learning and building session before the day ends. So I every day I'm launching just before the day ends and finishing after the day starts, like just starts. Okay. um, and I'm here like a welder, like a true um, promises keeper. Cheers. So that's who am I. Okay, I'm going to publish this link before I proceed. Hmm. And where I'm going to my link, my Twitter. I created a thumbnail. Sorry, a thread um, for this challenge to do it for 7 days at 11:15 p.m. Um, I'm always missed to join on time, but I did about later. So it's like I failed the eternity by inviting, like, challenging people to join me at every day at 11:15 p.m. And I wasn't myself even aware, like available. Went live on a stage where invited people to. Wow, it's like a promise that is broken in so many ways that it can be. Yeah. Okay. So there, where I actually wanted to, because this thread is incomplete, right? Hmm. Should I do it just like that? Yes. Okay. So now, where we are. Hmm. Uh, I am in a live learning and building session. Today, so yesterday, let me continue from where I am. Let me give you the context, right? Um, I'm working on my yearly goal for the 2026 to generate $1 million for my clients in 2026, and we are in sitting by the end of April, and there is no revenue yet. My funnels are not yielding, um but I'm firm on my project. Hmm. So, uh, 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 this year started with that goal. The first month was in some direction. I planned to pick up some beginner engineering college students to train them about on Salesforce Agentforce, and uh, didn't get a response I wanted to. I couldn't. I would say I couldn't inspire people to build, learn with me. It's my personal failure. Okay. Then I ventured into, just before that I was building an agent um, to rethink how the industry would be evolving in the hiring category, right? I drafted a 55-page thesis on the topic. I have thought about in depth for about 3 years, conversations, right? So I called it agent god complexes. So I realized yesterday, after yesterday's session, that dude, what a what day, I am building my own portfolio of agents. So I'll share my screen from here. Um, I'm learning and building slowly, so I'm not claiming it much at this stage, and that is okay. That's what experiment is about. The title of today's video, if you understand that, if you see that carefully, wait a second. I'm looking for the name of this broadcast on my desktop. It's not giving me the name. So, but the title is much on the lines, where would you go without documentation and something. So, this page you see on the screen, what I'm coming to is my portfolio. Oh my God. Uh, so, this portfolio has to have at least, where would you go without documentation and clear experimentation, right? So, um, this is the part where I'm building my portfolio of agents. First is incomplete. This is not finished, right? Of course, any item will be in a finished state, like maybe ever, but it's not useful to anyone yet, right? It's a thesis. It's not even an MVP, and I don't know how to build this MVP. This is like strange. Um, Second is it's a real agent on my other parallel project, okay, which is another dream, okay, of parallel execution. It's like always going on. The third agent is a very personal need. I'm fulfilling my requirement as a human, as a knowledge worker, to have an agent to enable me to free myself from managing the project. Not just the project, actually, yes, the project. Uh, from managing the updates and to do and a lot of things, right? So I do wish I started with the template. So how do we start building when we build something, right? So I started with a blank template. What am I doing? I repeat. So I start with a very raw template, right? I want to think about it in general terms. It's like, what is the goal? What am I doing? Where are we starting from? And these are very rough, random questions. I may not be able to even justify the template. The point is, I start with a blank template, and I iterate on the template like every day. So my Notion template, look at this. So this page has a link. This Notion page. Oh, it should have opened in a new tab, right? Anyway, so this Notion page has a database of my last 37 days of iterations. Every day I'm talking to the camera. Now I need an agent too. So in this everyday iteration, I'm learning and building. I want to keep a lot of to-do list and what am I building, where I want to focus on the human wetware part of my soul wants to focus on very important parts. So this everyday checklist iteration and everything is like not the thing that I want to focus on. So this, oh yes, this is screen shared, right? Yes. So this template is like already huge, but I don't want to do it every day manually. No, man. So this is the context, right? Let me jump to the today's execution now. Yesterday I built a to-do list, okay, and it is going forward. Um, Today I still want to add one more activity on the top of the things I'm doing. Um, Maybe the session will extend to like I didn't think of, but wait. So This is the so I'm browsing my LinkedIn right now. I found a challenge. It's a beautiful challenge. So today I'm not even documenting or learning or building something on my everyday trajectory. It's a diversion. It is a diversion. I'm moving away from existing everyday goals. So if you see my Notion, it also has a tag, everyday tag. Am I focused? Oh, wait. So it's not logged in page, right? So I will browse it through my Windows app, and I will give it a tag. Salesforce specialist. No, I'm giving a tag for yesterday's session, right? Was about support agent, and today I'm also going off like third building challenge by Lizer. That is what is happening today. Okay, so this will must update like from the background. Let's not get there. Now this is what I was looking at. So I'm sharing my screen too. This is a post from the founders. They are saying, uh, if you want to explore this opportunity, why not build something from architect.new and build something cool and DM me. So this is the session I want to utilize to actually build from architect.new, which is I strongly believe from uh, Lizer itself, and of course it's okay, right? So I'm going to switch to architect.new guides mode. Okay, oh no, I just missed. Okay, so it says architect, the agent builder platform for business executives and consultants. So today I want this is the challenge I'm picking up today. This is the direction of my execution today. Oh, 6 minute long video. So I get the point that trying to describe what the platform can do. So I'm going to be using it to build what I was thinking about building since last two to three sessions, right? I'm exploring this challenge, but I'm actually working on my yesterday's activities, which is I need an agent, right? So I'm going to copy the context from where do I? So I have a long chat conversation, right, from ChatGPT. Great point. So why do I not export that chat and import here and like give it a context more of what I have, most of like everything I have thought about it, right? So I used ChatGPT as a careful thinking partner yesterday. I have a lot of context which I want to showcase to the builders as a as a builder. I'm a builder boy. Okay, documentation, second brain. No. Um, Let me just look at the link. So I have saved the specific chat conversation on my Notion page itself. So I just like, this is here. It is from yesterday's session, like the and it justifies my title of the video, today's video. Where would you go without documentation and clear experimentation? So my hypothesis of my this year's goals, everyday execution is very clear. Maybe. And about clarity, there are a lot of other explorations going on. But the point is, um, my assumption is that I can generate $1 million. I can enable generation of $1 million in this year for my clients, right? So that's a very huge, bombarding, like, business assumption. But I'm working behind it in a very structured way, right? And this is my scale of structure of evolution. So let's see where I can reach, where all I can touch. Oh my God, where am I? So my sidebar is not able to tell me like where. Oh, it is coming from. So it's a copy, right? Maybe it's a copy. Is it a same conversation I wanted to explore? So what is this conversation about? Oh my God. Da-da-da. Okay, on. It's not giving me the name. Oh my God. So yeah, last message is simple possible, la la la, la la la. Yes. Oh my God. Grok has, I believe, a better scrolling for long messages. I have a lot of questions, so not building yet. Let me think. I think I am. Where do we run this? This cannot be the last message. I think I proceeded with one question yesterday too. This was a day before yesterday question. Okay, I'm not able to find the recent conversation just yet. Maybe. Uh, let's look at this conversation. I'm exploring something else right now. So the architecture architecture is broken in my head right now. Okay. Okay. I think I proceeded from here yesterday. And what is that? This is the last message. Wait, I have not been. Did I save the link too early yesterday? Yes. So this is not the right link. I need to replace in my Notion page. Okay. So this is the conversation I want to export. This is where I am been hypothesizing my real need for an agent. When streaming an agent to create a list, right? So this at the end, I said, okay, this is what I have, right? I want to do it manually from here and test it and do it like this. So now I want to see what Lizer can do. Let's export this conversation in a PDF file. It's a huge about. It could be about 50-page context. I don't know. I don't think uh, the context. Oh, 32 pages document. See, I don't. I don't think I will be able. My context window, the Eliza context window, will be able to uh, manage, like, pick up this context the way I wish. So it's a challenge for me as well as a challenge for the platform. So I'm picking up the, like, attaching the context and now asking, now this is the prompt I'll start with. I'll be using whisper flow to just speak to the platform. Scan this attached PDF file and create a context in your memory to understand the requirement and the direction I'm flowing from and the destination I'm going to. Then give me your best shot of what is that you can do for me. So this is this is my, like, very raw prompt with the 32 page context. He started creating my app. This is like, no, dude, you're not supposed to build an app for me yet. I said, just tell me what is then you can do for me. What is the best shot you can do for me? It's like, if the system is already building something for me, it's a failure of resources at the artificial intelligence end or the platforms end, right? Failed to create app, please try again. Did I fail the platform? I think I crashed the context window or the platform. Oh, something got created. Scan this. Okay, this is the step one of having something. So it's still gathering requirements. There will be a plan will appear here where architect generates content. Yeah, everything is content. Everything, even the, so text is technically the code. Oh my god. Now I'm exploring the platform. I am a very slow reader. Oh my god. So this is like summarizing the context, I believe. I read your entire document carefully. This is exceptionally clear. You've already done the hard thinking work. Let me reflect what you're building back to you, then ask two minimal questions needed to move forward. What you're actually building is not a productivity agent, not a motivation agent. You are building a daily execution mirror that extracts signal from noise and measures drift from revenue goal. Your system's core logic from your own framework, learning without artifact noise. Okay, oh my god. Here I may be pipeline crystal clear. Day one, three manual caption input, validation, iteration, current state, 30 days, zero revenue, daily live stream. Okay, okay. Day week 17, foundation phase, intentionally slow, controlled, your constraints. Oh my god. You have never written production code, but you understand DLC logic. You want to learn APIs, a goal, business, build revenue generation capability, Agentforce, Salesforce, architecture, consulting, and this agent must measure whether daily actions move towards artifact. Build my two clarifying questions. YouTube video characteristics, short video format. Okay, I think it is going more towards the long form, but I'll keep it for the short medium. This determines API cost. You're not okay. Still wait. No, but you don't need to watch like the agent. What I believe is that agents would not need to read all that, like watch all that video. There's a simple file available as download. It is there. For me at least manually. I'm assuming that it would be there with an API like, wow. with a flick of a button. Okay, the first valid signal definition from your framework, your due definition between you distinguish between noise and progress. For your first schema iteration, which of these should the system explicitly flag? This is a difficult question. Artifact created, market contact, system building, learning. Oh, I want to keep multiple options. Learning with output, system building, revenue signal. Oh my god. Any action that could convert to paid work within 30 days. I love the details. My thinking partners are like the artificial intelligence, which we use today every day as a thinking partner, is like a is like a real brilliant superpower. Market contact, artifact created, code written, demo built. Yeah, everything is valid. You can select multiple. These become your initial alignments. Scoring. Will this system need to track historical trends and patterns? Likely weekly. Yes. Okay, not sure. Generate PRD with requirements. Oh my god. So this is the part where it's like system is blowing my mind. No, I have not worked that this level of clarity, maybe with at least the agents. So, oh, user stories. So this is the requirement document. Earlier, I have published a requirement document for my second agent. Um, I'm not validated. I still want to validate it from many people, and I hope I get some reviews from somewhere. But this is like huge thing to be digested. Oh my god, this document is like coming out huge. Oh my god, and I cannot accept the system. Everything the system has assumed for me. So every word in that document is like a responsibility, but for the sake of experiment. I'm assuming that why not get like just hit the deploy button and try it. Let's start from the end, so maybe it makes more sense here. Oh my god, some hiding. But anyway, user logs in, lands on caption input, pastes today's live stream text. Gee, clicks extract and score, reviews structured output on screen, review screen, edits any misclarified items, clicks push to Notion, gets confirmation. Oh my god. So it has not picked up, like, looked at the filter I want to scan through, right? Push to Notion, gets confirmation. Later, visits trend dashboard, clicks analysis trends, read week over week. Maybe it skipped writing here. Loading skeletons states loading skeletons during extraction, inline validation on edits, error toast if Notion sync fails with retry option, empty state. Okay, it's an app where I will feed my caption, and it will extract and score and review structured out. I will review the output and edit and click publish. But it is not doing the important part, right? The filtering. Oh my god. So I think I will have to may have to try again. What is that? Workflow will appear when agents are generated. Dude, why don't show me the workflow before actually preview URL is not available yet. Please wait for Sandbox to initialize. Ooh, waiting for sandbox. Your sandbox environment is not ready yet. Click the button below to refresh and start sandbox. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I still want to look at the plan. Branch. How many branches are there? Like, what? What is it like? Just main branch right now? Branch is a daily execution instrumentation system that extracts structured signal from YouTube live stream content and measures draft drift from revenue goals. It transforms raw learning session into categorized artifacts stored in Notion. Dude, enabling weekly, monthly trend. I want to paste my live stream caption, get structured extraction, artifacts, market contact, revenue, signals, so I stop confusing business and progress. I want each extraction scored against my live five alignment categories. This is not the right method of what I was thinking. So I can still see daily drift. I want extracted data automatically pushed to Notion. I want to view monthly. I want to review, refine, extract. It missed something important, I think. So so filtering, scoring is the part that almost is closer to. But where is scoring now? Ooh, I'm assuming it's somewhere hidden in this part. Let's look at the architecture, reasoning, agent flow, user paste, YouTube, click extract and score, caption, extract agent, processes, caption, produces structured JSON and alignment scores, result displayed for user. No, I want to clarify this. This is like incomplete. Okay, let's look at this description. Processes pasted YouTube caption, session extract, artifacts, create, market contact, building activities with items, revenue signal into JSON. Schema scores each session against the five alignment categories and flag drift from revenue goals. So this five categories, what I want to, I need to. Uh, I'm not able to find the right term, but I want to counter that because it's important to me. Okay, so workflow visualization node is positioned at far left. Dude, you could have just showed me branch name. Oh my god, what is that website link? I already have a website. Did I just open a second website? Yes. A new page just opened and it has a PDF file. My whole conversation that I submitted. Oh my god. Okay, it's not. Build context, purpose. Define the entire system philosophy. This file I submitted, it says defines the entire system philosophy, alignment categories, schema requirements, and execution framework used to configure all three agents, instructions, and scoring rubrics. So this is important, right? I still need to work on that categorization and filtering logic part, or maybe I can optimize that part later. That's also important, right? So I want to have a note in my caption that remember to expand on the scoring logic for better filtering of the items. So let's simplify full access to own data. Okay, user flow. Why is it like colored like this? Lands on app, auth model, sign up. Oh my god. App visible but blurred. New user sign up. Why do we have so much, so much YouTube caption? Like, do I need to have a login functionality, everything like that, and it will connect with my Notion. How? Notion sync. User clicks push to Notion. So I think somehow it will be built in that system. So design system is like this: component, large text area card for caption input, structured extraction card with inline editable fields. Oh my god, I don't understand this design system. Score, badges, color coded by alignment, trend, sparkline chart, history table rows, visual hierarchy, information density. Wow, there's a lot that the the so-called artificial intelligence has done for me. Screen 0, screen 1, caption input, screen 2, review edit, screen 3, trends dashboard, complete user journey. So let's just deploy it. Oh my god. Publish to marketplace. So there are multiple options, or what is that? Make your agent available to the world. Can I do it on the custom agent? I can do it maybe up with some payment. Now what is the next step? Describe. Summarize a YouTube video and extract summary, to-do list, and signal to anchor the actions towards my long-term goals. Wow, my is a very wrong element here. Summarize YouTube video. So this is not the right methodology. I would put it like that. I would say um, YouTube, YouTube. So it's my let me like kind of think out loud right now. So this execution is like why am I building this agent, right? This particular agent. It's a system build. I'm building a system to enable myself to generate $1 million. Right now, the system is evolving with me, and this is a part of that system. So I want to give it a name. Where do I give it a name? Short description. $1 million consistency partner. I don't know. I need to connect my GitHub. Beautiful. Sure, I will do that. I will connect my dude. Oh, I need to add the password. Did I do it right? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's hit the deploy button once again. And I lost the context. Dude, this is like $1 million consistency partner. So I just copied my previous entered input from Whisper Flow by using the shortcut Shift Z and Alt. Okay, a tag is required. No, right? No, yes. What is the tag I would give? Like, this is the tag I will give my agent. What a tag. Okay. So I am deploying my $1 million consistency partner. On Lizer platform, use the repo not available, connect GitHub and push code before deploying. Dude, dude, please note that anyone access your app. So something just went wrong. There was an option to connect GitHub. I did that, but I think the repo is the required. I don't know, repo I need to build on is not could not be selected maybe. So let me try to refresh. Let me try to look around. Let me try to see what I'm missing. Da-da-da. Ready to build something amazing. That's my new app. Okay. So I could be stuck. I don't know. Oh my god. So the platform is not even remembering my description I'm entering out again and again. Oh no. So I'm going to my Whisper Flow app to copy my previously entered uh, description and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to hit the button once again. Oh my gosh. Oh, ouch. So I'm like still confused. I don't know where this app is being deployed on my GitHub because my GitHub has like I did not pick up the specific repo in which I wanted to publish. Ouch. My app is live and now site not found. Oops. Okay, let's try again. Looks like you followed a broken link. Da da da. I am I um, am I like exposing some issues on the platform or it's genuinely me? Oh my god, this is going to be tough. So where we are standing right now, this open app. So this new page is not yielding anything. Like it's just a blank page, ready to build something amazing, dude. I think I just deployed something. Okay, let's not jump. So is my like where am I right now? What is that it just deployed? Let me look at my GitHub profile. Like there's a new repo right now. Damn it! I actually wanted to build under a different repo. I I don't know if I could have done that, but let's see. So this is my new app built by Lizer. Okay, and I don't see much of things. Oh no. So where's my app right now? Like what has been deployed? What is there? Like is this? Oh my god. Is my app ready to be used or am I not getting the right context here? Although in the last message it says push to agents. PRD is there. I don't know what is pushed. Let me hit that button now. Building your app. It's again saying it's building an app for me. So I am now in a waiting mode for my platform to build an agent for me. And I'm like, okay, let the magic reveal superpowers of me. Okay. Siva Sorendira, he published a post today about, okay, inviting people to build, and now I'm doing it this way. Now my agent is like probably being deployed. So let's explore the GitHub rep. There's a lot. What I'm assuming is that it has a lot of templatized thing. There's no about. There are a lot of things here, and I don't understand much of it. Okay, my laser architect is now like doing something. Click on any agent node to edit its configuration. So it's still building, and I'm just like uh, trying to understand the states. So where are we right now? I'll build the branch, task, create flow structure, this. It said it got completed. Created KV branch. I don't know what it says. System task progress completed. System task was completed. System task progress completed. Oh my god. Database ready, completed. Formulating responses. So it's still in progress. I thought it's done. Okay. So a lot of controls are like disabled at this stage. And I don't know what it meant when it said deploy and test on this link. The link is there. It's not just an outcome. It's like blank. It's okay. Let's be patient, boy. So my agent is now like expanding my idea of my daily agent that would enable me to do a lot of things now is like right there in front of me. Oh my god. So my dream to build a portfolio of agents in this year is like now expanding faster, faster. Building your app. It's still building my app. It seems like a on the left bar UI mode. System task progress completed. System task progress completed. System task progress completed. It's like a stupid loop. Feels like a stupid loop, or incomplete information for me to even like think about it. Like, what does it even mean? I need some water. Okay, Gabo, boy, you build and I will see. Oh my god. Created caption extraction agent, workflow updated, created agent, workflow updated, created agent, trend analysis agent, workflow updated, created Notion sync agent. Oh my god. So I have some superpowers now. It's like I was thinking of building these things somehow with the help of maybe Cloud Code, maybe ChatGPT. What is that? Codex. And before I could do it from there, Lizer picked it up from like transported me from a state of thinking about it to actually having it. the the difference between an imagination and the it's like the a wish with a genie. So genie is like every day right there. It can yield the gold or pizza or dollars. Can you like describe your requirement that's worth getting delivered in one or one session? I'm excited. I'm excited more than I can imagine. I can describe. So this agent is being deployed, and I think I need to take a break. Sorry, this is something important, I believe, and it's not. I just checked. Okay, so this is the moment that's confused. That's a I don't know. Um, I need to wait, right? I'm like now trying to think about uh, limitations of my imagination. It's like I have this in the meantime while it is architecting my wow, it's deep. By the time it's working, let me showcase something else. So this is my other platform. This is a discipline program for kids. It's like a very deeper element of my own self. It's the project where I'm slowly, it's like very slowly, about 2 years. I've not sold any copies or programs from this platform yet, and I'm not expanding on it like intentionally. I don't really know how to do it well, how to do in a way that I keep my soul intact. I'm scared of getting shattered by the information that AI is building for me. So, this platform has a long story, and how do I keep an eye on my agent on architect.new? What it is building for me? Hmm. One tool needs to be connected. Oh my god! Dude, give me the name. Notion. Oh my god! So do I like have something that I needed? One prompt, and maybe so I don't know how this platform could have responded when I would have entered only three sentences. Like today, I submitted a 32-page document, my conversation with ChatGPT yesterday, which was also optimized with my custom GPT. Not really, but of course, it gave. Do I need to try it again? What just happened? Did I lose? Hi again. There has been a quite long pause in between. My machine memory management almost got frozen, stuck, but I'm seeing that the session is still alive. My agent got deployed. Uh, so there was some lot of processing on this architect platform. Something is now stuck like so badly that I will find some workarounds. But anyway, think you cannot see something strange on the screen, I will try to show it in my own way. Wait a second. Tararat, 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 tararat. Yeah, you cannot see it. I'll share my whole screen again. Oh no. What happened is that uh, now you see it probably. There's a overlay on the screen which is like doesn't let me control the elements behind that overlay, which is Windows clipboard, which like came up after about half an hour of initiating it. Then it disappeared, and this shadow is there. It the clipboard is there, but doesn't let me work. It's not it's not visible. It's not closable. So the task manager may not even have a task to actually kill the clipboard, right? I don't know. Uh, I must ask, in ideal case, the chat GPT. But let's see. So let's get back to the task we were working on. Architect built something for me. Now it says there is an error detection in preview. I detected an error in application preview. Would you like me to help fix it automatically? Console error, unexpected token and is not valid. Dude, you are like just doing something for me. I don't know. And I have already connected my Notion page, so I don't know what is happening here. This overlay is going to suck. Somebody please sponsor me a laptop. Okay. Should I hit that connect button once again? I saw it in like chat history somewhere just about a few minutes ago that my Notion is already connected. Now it says like connect again. So these are maybe some technical issues on the platform, but if it even does the like bare metal thing of what I wish to, there's no better time to be alive. So where do we go from here? Uh, let's refresh the. Oh, yeah. Let's refresh the GitHub repo and see if something new is happening here. I don't even know if something is getting deployed again and again. Oh, there has been only one commit. No, 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 no. So it is doing a lot of architecturing of the layers of reality behind the screen, and I am like the wizard who got this superpower. Now I can see the issue clearly. The API extraction, API weekly summary, routed routes are wrapped with the auto middleware, which likely turns an HTML. Oh my god. Okay, of course it is making mistakes and testing and working on a lot of iterations, maybe in the backend. In the backend, should I say backend? I don't know. Now let me also check if there are any fetch calls in the section component that might have same issue. Good, no fetch calls. Here's a summary of what was causing root cause, three direct fetch API extraction. Okay, fine. I'm going to skip whatever it's saying. Turn complete. 1 minute 6 seconds. Workflow completed. Oh, paused. There's another unexpected error. So it's like a loop of I don't know magic behind the screen, which is running. Ah, So I have something now to test. Like let me just hit this connect button again. It's already done. Okay. Now how do I sign up? Like do I need to sign up like myself, or it should have given me a login ID and password? Should I sign up? Use strong password? Oh dude. Okay. My app is live, and let me test. So this is the part where we test. Ouch. There's a network error now. What just happened? So this is the part where we explore what we have. Why there are okay, these are two different lanes, right? The notion sync should be in the output. Okay, I don't know. This architecture is like this. It should have been more detailed. Anyway, oh, oh, okay. Let me try to like sign up also, dude. Just sign me up now. And there is a network error. So let me report and let me add the context. Oh, dude, I am not able to sign up on my own app. I am getting a network error. Okay, let's see. Let's see because this is the part where most people give up. I don't know. New session. Why it is creating new sessions every time? So it's about 1:10 a.m. 24th of April 2026. It's like, dude, I really wanted to test something else and I'm on a build something else and I'm on a trajectory to build sign up. Like, why? This is a boilerplate shit that should have worked for me magically. But yeah, hats off to the system, to the builders behind what I am playing with, right? Found the issue, TLS certificate file, blah 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 blah, database connection, blah 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 blah. Let me fix this, downloading the correct AWS document, DB certificate, blah 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 blah. Oh my god. So, what do we have? I want to see something on this, see some update on my Git repo. It's like, what? Oh, why does it say it has only one commit? When the timer, let's see, I don't want to look at the particular commit, right? I want to see the commits. There has been only one. It should have been marked as, it says 5 minutes ago. Now I'm confused, like, how can it be 5 minutes ago in some way? So much code, and I'm sleepy. It's, it's completing some turns and playing with its own game of building and building. Goal alignment and execution mirror. Wow. Now I have something. Let's try again, shouty. Oh, now we have it. Now I have an app and I'm going to sign in. Oh, no. Sign in from here and sign in. Okay, this is the moment where I'm validating my dream and I'm emotional. It's like, dude, I have an agent that I was dreaming about 2 days ago in depth. Like, dude, I will do so much and so much and so much. And today I have it. So it's like, if it works, I'm empowered. I'm, I would really call it my $1 million consistency partner. So, oh my god, sorry. I'm going to be exporting the this overlay is hurting me now. I want to restart my machine ever since early morning this day. So I exported the caption for yesterday. I wish I could. Damn it, just import. But anyway, I'll paste. I'll paste. I'll paste. Can I open it in a notepad? Ouch, dude, come on. It's like notepad is hurting me now. So I have it. Let's just hit submit. This is the moment of truth. Ta-da! I don't know where it was submit my the required thing on my Notion document, but I also want to automate all that if I can. Did I really build something powerful? Da-da-da. Well, I tell you, oh my god, alignment score, $1 million consistency partner, custom GPT. Is it a summary or what? Where is the to do? Market contact. Okay. Gamdias, that name is not picked up very well. Okay, system building, there's a lot of there. Learning with output, octopus paradigm, yes, I worked on it yesterday. Revenue signal, oh, started annual goal, custom GPT named this, mentioned expecting sponsors, agent to live, agent. So I needed a to do list also. Now I need a what? I'm drifting. I'm not aligned towards my goal. See? Oh, JavaScript error. Hide the errors. Oh, skeleton is not defined. This is the part of me that database ID. Oh, interesting. I can pick up the database ID from my Notion database and push to Notion just now. Of course, I can update the filtering criteria and the requirement. Actually, I need a to-do list to be maintained and where all I need to maintain this. But this is good. How do I copy the database ID? Enter Notion DB ID. Okay, this is my Notion database. Oh no, oh no, oh no. My Notion is also maybe almost like under pressure. Ouch. I don't know. Property visibility. Dude, just give me the ID. Settings. Okay, this is something that I've not done yet in my like lifetime maybe. What I'm trying to see is that where do I find the database ID? Maybe the Notion agents can tell me. So I subscribed to the Notion meeting notes taker to like manage my daily transcription, but it was all a manual effort to enable Notion every day, and it was also like memory consuming process. It was filled with human errors, and there was a lot of manual thing. How do I find the database ID? Database data source ID, database ID. Come on. Okay, just proceed, buddy. Hit and push. I just tested something powerful. So if it works, what I'm going to do is, ouch, I'm going to, I don't know where it will push the new page. And of course, it doesn't have the, like, I've not defined the requirements to be very clear, like how to create the new page. It failed badly, but it's like, it's okay. The session has been quite learnful. Failed to execute JSON on response and expected end of JSON input. Uh, I'll think I'll need to like use that error code and hit to uh, my oh my god my my architect again to try again. But The big picture is beautiful. You see that? I am drifting. I'm like I'm preparing the foundation strong for my project. Larger activities. What I see, like, oh my god, it's again 16 minutes. If I will go to home, I think it will say something like more something else. 10 minutes. It was a moment ago 16 minutes. There's only one commit. If I refresh the page, I expect like this is not done. It's not going beyond 20 minutes. This is not what I. This is something. Can I take a jhabki in between? Can I go back to sleep? What is that? Yay! Oh my god! So my own alignment score says I'm drifting. Beautiful, no? So beautiful time to be alive. My extraction is not submitting to Notion. Sync failed. Why, dude? Why? Just give me the error so I can like pushes extraction data to Notion. I will do it now and or give me an error. I actually want to submit a real cool thing that I'm working on. It's not even failing quickly. But I'll end the session for today. It was fun building. It was fun exploring this new platform. Low credits. Okay, it cannot do more for me. So that's all for today. I'll stop sharing my screen. You see how I went from an idea to having a product in a matter of quick session. So we can build if we can imagine. Let's imagine the best case scenario. Let's build, boy. Let's build. See you soon. Again, same time tomorrow. Ta-da! I'm not able to hit. Oh shit! Hit the end button because it is the overlay is hurting that. Anyway, see you tomorrow.